Yo, Aaron, you ready? Alright, let's go.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Before this video starts, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of my subscribers, people that have shared my videos, watched the videos. My burrito taco video has just hit over 100,000 views. So please subscribe to my channel when you're watching my videos, and stay tuned because I'm about to keep dropping these hot recipes just like this one. Let's get into this caramelized apple French toast. So first we're going to start off by cutting up our green apples. I prefer to use green apples in my dessert dishes that include apples. So make sure you cut these apples into really nice thin slices. Now, I am leaving the skin on just for the aesthetic of the plate. However, I would advise you guys to peel these apples completely, core them, and cut them into really thin slices. You'll get a really good flavor to these apples. It'll soak in really good. Take that skin off, but I left some skin on just for that plate look. Now for the seasonings that we're adding to the apples, we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Proceed to add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg. Now, you guys are, I know y'all smelling this. I know y'all smelling it. Anyway, then we're going to add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now what this brown sugar does, it gives it a really good dark bold flavor of that sugar, man. Like, this is about to taste like your grandma apple pie. Okay, now next we're going to proceed to create our French toast batter. So crack 3 eggs into a bowl, whisk those really good, and then on the side of that we're going to add in 1 cup of whole milk. Then proceed to add 1 teaspoon or the rest of that vanilla extract that I told y'all I barely had of to the batter. And then we're going to add in, I'll say about 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. And you know my ancestors told me how much that 1 or 2 tablespoons actually was. And then we're going to add in a little cinnamon. Not too much because we have a lot of cinnamon in our apples already. And we're pretty much done with this French toast batter. Now the type of French toast bread that I am using is called challah bread. You know, you guys know how I'm be pronouncing this stuff, right? I be looking it up. Sometimes I be wrong. Sometimes. Anyway, I believe it's called challah bread. So I'm gonna cut nice thick slices for the French toast. This bread is really good for French toast because it's thick. It's not too soft, not too hard. It's perfect. So get those slices, set them aside, and then we're gonna add about 2.5 sticks of butter to a skillet, and we're going to begin caramelizing these apples. Now make sure you get all of the apple mixture into the skillet. Make sure you add the remaining little extra sauce that's in there, and we're going to cut this on medium and let this cook until these apples are nice and soft. Now we are going to cook these apples. I'll say they're probably going to cook it for about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes at the most, depending on the type of skillet, depending on the heat of your pan. But these are cooking. I'm pretty sure your kitchen is smelling like grandma and Nana's house on Thanksgiving with this apple pie. It smells amazing. But continue to caramelize these apples, and you're going to just let these sit after you just move them around a little bit. Now, after those apples have officially caramelized, you can turn them to low and just let them sit. But dip that challah bread, whatever is however it's pronounced, dip that in that batter. Make sure you have a skillet that's hot with butter already. You can check my last French toast video out to see the proper way to cook these French toasts. But just a quick little thing, put them in a hot skillet of butter, okay? Hot skillet of butter. Let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're nice and brown. Get a really good flip, and boom, you got your French toast. Now, set that French toast on a plate. Get those caramelized apples, and boom, sauce that all over that boy. Sauce that all over that boy. That's that Atlanta, you know. Now, place them apples all over that French toast. Take your second piece of French toast, stack them on top. Add the remaining of your caramelized apples. Now, if you have a little butter left over, you can spoon some butter from that pan of apples over this. Add your powdered sugar. Add chopped peanuts, and we're also going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, because what's apple pie French toast without a scoop of vanilla ice cream? And it's gonna melt off, just letting you guys know. It's gonna melt and it's gonna slide. So whatever you're gonna do to add that powdered sugar, hurry up and do it, because just y'all can see, mine started to slide. Now boom, you got some delicious caramel apple French toast. Don't say I never did nothing for y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, comment the type of recipes you guys would like to see me do. And if you guys do replicate any of my recipes, please tag me at LawCannon, LawCannon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.